Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. In one of our most recent videos, you saw us take a stock Axial SCX24 and we installed a cheap chassis kit along with some inexpensive internal spring shocks, both made by Injora. I'll put a link in the description down below for both of those parts. Otherwise, this SCX24 is completely stock. Got it out today in the desert, in the real world, seeing what it's really capable of. Got some pretty good run footage. It was a great day, so sit back and enjoy. All in all, I'm pretty impressed with this and pretty pleased with it. This is a lot steeper than it looks. This is a true one-to-one area that is used for rock crawling, and this is one of the most popular kind of lines right here. You can see a huge tire mark right there to the right where somebody had a little burn. Hopefully they kept it in the chute, because if they went off to the right there, things did not end well for that truck. But this little 24 scale handles it with no problem. It just takes it quite a bit of time to get up to the top, but it handled this line with ease. If you've been considering one of these Injora chassis kits, I hope that this run footage at least helps you make a better decision. Sometimes for me, it just helps to see something actually being used versus just a thumbnail in an ad for the product. So for me personally, I'm pretty impressed with the thing overall. It's certainly nothing to look at, but it's not always about looks. If you're just looking to change it up and want something that works quite well, this seems to fit the bill. If you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up, click that subscribe button for future upcoming RC content, and until next time, click on one of the videos listed here. Take it easy, guys.